Hello everyone. Today we're going to have the translation of word sentences to algebraic expressions. Alright, I made a column for word sentence here, and in the other column, this would be for algebraic expression. Alright, so let's begin. I've just said that sum of A and 3B. Alright, how could we make it into algebraic expression? So all we need to do is we're just having sum of A and 3B. So this is just simply the sum, meaning of A. So A plus 3B. So this is sum of A and 3B. Let's have another one. Okay, difference of 5 and 7A. Difference of 5 and 7A. Okay, so how could we do that? Difference of 5 and 7A. Meaning to say, we're just going to have this as either there are two options to write this. We could make it as 5 minus 7a, or we could also do this as 7a minus 5, right? Because when we say difference of 5 and 7a, we do not know which one we're going to subtract from the other quantity. So meaning we can come up with two expression. So it's either of the two. Let's have another one. Product of 6p and q. Right? Let's have product of 6p and q. So how could we write the product of 6p and q? So when we say product, we just multiply, so we could write it as 6p, right, times q. So this is times q. So meaning, 6 times the value of p, and we multiply it with the q, or the value of q later on, if we're having a given value for q. Next, quotient of 4x divided by 3. Alright, quotient. Oh, sorry, I misspelled it. Alright, quotient of 4x divided by 3. Divided by 3. Okay, quotient of 4x divided by 3. So we could just like 4x over 3. So we could have a quotient of 4x divided by 3. Next, square of a. Square of a. How could we write it? Square of a. Right? So square of a, so meaning we're going to write the a, and square is the small number 2 on the upper right. Or actually this means that a times a, right? So this a squared. Next, cube of b. Cube of b. So again, we're gonna write this b and cube, right? This cube of b, meaning that's b times itself 3 times, or b times b times b. Next, let us have, alright, square root of x. So square root of x. Square root of x. So how could we write the square root of x? right? The square root of x is, so this is symbol for square root of x is inside this radical sign, so this is the square root of x. Now let's have the last one. Cube root of y. Cube root of y. Okay, what is cube root? Cube root is the inverse of cube, right? So cube, cube root, square, square root. So we're having cube root, meaning we're having, okay, how could we write the cube root here? So we just have here like radical sign, but there is an index which is 3, and since we're talking about cube root of y, y is inside the radical sign. And that's it. Till the next time, bye.